guys, welcome back. Good morning. Welcome back to our channel again. Early morning. After send Orlin in the school, in the bus, Dada put water in the plant. Flower, jasmine. Look at that, guys. Too much grass and become long. Humaba. Need to spray and need to cut. So we'll see if we will cut or we will spray only for the the grass. This one, Dada, spray. Then look at this, become dry because this much grass is, look at this much grass, guys. So there is lots of grass also is there, need to spray. See, become dry and died. I harvest already 3 pieces and now again there is 2. Sponge, good. Look at that. See, 2. This is good, guys, very healthy. And over there I have 2 also, 2 pieces. Oh, it's look nice. If it's like this already, it will not grow, it will die. So we need to remove because there is something here. Look at this. So it will grow. See, look at that. I'm so happy with my plant. Thanks God. This is from Philippines and I bring here. It's a lot. Thank you, Lord. You're giving me lots of vegetable. Look at this. This one. This one. See, look at this. It's coming also. It's coming also. This one also. This one. Look at this. So there are more also. Look at this. It's a lot. I'm so happy. Look at this. So thankful. And about this, guys, is a long beans now become grow. But this one is a little bit this much long. It's a beans also. Beans. This one. See? And this one, they're eating this one. Need to spray medicine for the insect. See? My okra, ladyfinger. Actually, I plant 4, but 2 gone. Good morning, Dada.
You just wanted to make a video and you tell me.
What is your problem? Hey! Oh. My squash. So I think I need to remove now, babe. What is that? No, it's already, so look, this one it's already become orange color. So I need to remove this one. So that you put water here. We will remove now, guys. So I have their long beans, okra. Wow, so yummy. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Hi guys, good afternoon. Tingnan nyo yung aking aswete. Tayo i-harvestin yung ating Mag-harvest tayo ng ating kalabasa. Ayun, oh. Let's go, Olen. Come with me. Olen eating chocolate.
I got some food.
Yeah.
In the canteen, I was eating biryani,
Wow, biryani and what?
chicken kebab and curd.
Wow. So yummy.
For you, what you have, guys?
Chicken curry and what you
The
call?
vlog is not talking. I'm talking.
Yeah. Then ayan guys, harvest natin yung ating
Then what you had?
squash.
What is that?
Guys, we will
That is a squash.
yeah, we will harvest now. It's because it become
We didn't take that squash every day.
it's become old now and little bit ripe.
Yeah.
So
So we have to.
we will harvest now. It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Now guys, we will harvest. Oh,
Oh my God, that. Oh! It looks like a watermelon. Wait, I'll just zoom.
okay. Look at this.
Wow. It's very nice. Mama just put like this up.
Oh.
It's very nice. It looks like a Halloween
So,
watermelon.
tomorrow we will put long beans and
Yeah.
we will put coconut. Okay.
Wow.
Yes. This is it, guys.
Now.
Look at this. See? It's big.
Yeah, it's big like the sky.
So look at this. Oh, it's so nice. This one, guys. We will put beans and coconut. Ginataan. So ayan, guys.
On the top.
I'm so happy for this one. Yes?
Yes.
And hold this one, Olen, and keep it there. I'll show to Dada later. Hold. Oh, heavy? Okay. We will see there.
Whoa, Papa.
Hey,
It just fell down. It's very heavy.
it's fall down. Don't fall it.
Wow, man.
Leave it. Look at this, guys. My...
Hey guys, there is
Patole.
a frog in this.
Leave it. Ang aking patola, sponge. What you call this one? Squash. Sponge guard.
I thought this is squash.
No, it's not squash. Mag-harvest. We will harvest.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's ready to harvest this one.
What is
Look at this.
harvesting?
Harvest. Ay! Baka madulas ako. Still not.
It's not harvest.
Harvest. I think it's another day. We will remove this one. Still not ready. Paghapon, guys, ganyan ginagawa ko. Nagpapausok. Ito ulit doon. Kasi maraming lamok. Silent. No music. Which one? When you will dance that one? Gina! Orlin, when you will dance that one? That is Loka Loka? Loka Loka. What is that? Go and then come. Tomo! Yeah!
No, I think that do I say no. It's thinking to I say no, Perino. It's thinking to I say no. Anastala kite toka. Emakele usikele toka. Anastala kite toka. Emakele usikele doka.
What song that one?
Toka.
Tomo! Before you don't know how to ride bicycle, right? Now you know. Now you know.
Before I was doing like this.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing like this.
Because every day you are you do it, no? So that you learn.
But I can learn. I can only without doing these two.
Yeah, later you can remove this one.
Then I'm learning how to do it. If I fall,
It's a part of the of growing up if you fall.
when I'm growing up, I'll do that.